Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. All of us are well aware of the amazing benefits of curry leaves. Today I will show you some recipes using these curry leaves. First we will make a curry leaves rice. This is a slightly different method. Normally we make the curry leaf powder and just mix it with rice. So today I am showing you a different method. Let's see. Here I have a bunch of fresh curry leaves which I have washed very well and drained. Now into your mixie jar, we'll just take out the leaves like this and add it to the jar. I have used half the bunch, say about 2 handfuls. To this I am adding a small piece of tamarind, 6 whole dry chillies and some salt. We will add a little water and grind all of this to a fine paste. As always, run it dry without adding any water initially. Now we can add some water and make it into a paste. See, we have ground it into a smooth paste. I have taken 1 cup of rice. We will wash it and bring it back. So to my pressure cooker, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of groundnuts. Next, half a tablespoon of Channa dal and half a tablespoon of Urad dal. Fry these till the dals are well browned. Next I am adding a few mustard seeds. We will remove these dals and nuts and keep it aside so that they will add to the crunch finally. I am adding this ground curry leaves paste to it. Now fry this paste well in the same oil till the raw smell goes. So while making the paste, I used about half a cup of water. So for 1 cup of rice, I will use 2 cups of water. Already half cup has gone there. Here, now the remaining 1.5 cups, I am just pouring into my mixie jar so that we can remove out all the curry leaves masala. See, the curry leaves paste is well fried now. Now I am adding the remaining 1.5 cups of water to it. I am adding a little bit of hing to this. Now we will wait for the water to come to a boil. See, when it starts boiling, at this stage you taste this water for salt. So I feel that it requires a little more salt, so I am adding another half teaspoon. See, it is beginning to boil now. Now we will add this washed rice to it. Give it a good mix and allow it to come to a boil once again. See, now it is beginning to boil once again. Now cover the cooker and we will cook it for 1 whistle. See, the rice is done well now. Just with a flat spoon, you can gently mix the rice together and take it out into your serving bowl. Now we will add all these dals and nuts which we fried right at the beginning. See, our lovely, our tasty and healthy curry leaves rice is ready. You can even pack it in your lunch box or have it as a night dinner anytime. It's a 1-pot meal. Along with this, you can serve some papad or even raita, or if you have any vegetable fry, that also will go with it. I am just frying some badams here. So the rainy season has just begun. So having this steaming hot curry leaves rice with these crispy badams at the side is really very welcome. So piping hot curry leaf rice and these crispy vadams, a lovely lunch or dinner combo, especially in this rainy weather. Next we'll make a simple and easy curry leaf chutney. I have 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. I have taken a 2-inch piece of ginger and also 4 green chillies. Now to this I am also adding a handful of curry leaves, fresh curry leaves which have been washed well. Now fry this till they become nice and crisp. Fry it over a low flame so that the green color is retained and yet they become nice and crisp. Now we'll switch it off. I'll transfer this to my chutney jar. See, the green chillies you can adjust to your spice level, less or more. If you don't want it very spicy, add only 2 green chillies. Some chillies are very spicy, so depending on that you can adjust. To this I am adding about 4 tablespoons of grated coconut and 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. I have just removed the peel. Add salt to taste and a small piece of tamarind. Add a little water and blend everything to a fine chutney. See, our chutney is blended and ready. I am just adding a little bit water to adjust the consistency. Now heat a teaspoon of oil in a pan. We will add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, dry red chilli, a little bit of hing powder. When the dals are browned, just I am adding a few curry leaves on top. Now we will pour this on top of the chutney. So our tempering for the curry leaf chutney is done. Our healthy and tasty curry leaf chutney is ready. This chutney is a great accompaniment for all your breakfast items, idli, dosa, vada, pongal, and I also like to have it as a side combo for chapatis too. Definitely try out this recipe. See, normally what happens, we add curry leaves to our sabjis, either to sambar, rasam or whatever, kootu, poriyal, whatever we are making. And when we serve it on the plate, the first thing which everybody does is promptly takes the curry leaf and keeps it out of the plate. This way we get the complete benefit of the curry leaves. You know, curry leaves are very good for your skin, they are good for your hair, they are good for your heart health, good for reducing cholesterol and even helps to maintain ideal weight. So definitely try out these ways of incorporating curry leaves in your diet. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, share the video with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.